Angela Merkel is stepping down as German Chancellor today after 16 years in power, ending a term that has redefined not just the country but also the political makeup of Europe. The 67-year-old, once dubbed das Mädchen, the girl, leaves office as Mutti, mother, to the nation, a moniker she earned to reflect her empathetic but also formidable nature. Merkel became Germany's first female chancellor on November 2005, and leaves office as one of its longest-serving leaders, finally handing over power to Olaf Scholz and the center-left Social Democrats. Her departure marks the end of an era for Germany, which saw the country establish itself as the de facto leader of Europe, cement its status as an economic superpower, and wield considerable influence on the global stage. She served alongside 5 British prime ministers, 4 American presidents, 4 French presidents, and 8 Italian premiers. Merkel has steered Germany through the 2007 recession and subsequent Greek debt crisis, the 2016 Berlin terror attack, Brexit, Trump's presidency and COVID, winning widespread praise for her pragmatism and competence, despite the EU hamstringing her vaccine drive. But her legacy also bears the stain of the 2015 migrant crisis, during which she threw open Europe's doors to millions of refugees and asylum seekers while infamously declaring "we can do this." As people poured across the Mediterranean and Europe's eastern border, including future terror attackers, Merkel watched her approval rating plummet while far-right parties such as the IFT capitalized on anti-migrant sentiment to return to the corridors of power after a decades-long absence. During her tenure, Merkel has appeared in many memorable photos. Here Mail Online relives them all, from staring down Trump at the G7, being pecked by parrots and meeting with the Queen at Windsor Castle.